What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Yami once again, and today we are going over the phases of the moon.
Yes, so we're going to be learning a little bit more about why the moon seems to change shape for us. And then by doing so, we're going to have this little guy over here. So this is going to be our moon phases slider that we're going to make.
Oh, okay. I see what we're doing here. So yeah, let's get started.
All right. So to put together our moon phases slider, pretty simple. We're just going to need one white paper and then two black papers. I chose some cardstock, so it's a little bit more reinforced. And then you can either print out a picture of the moon, or if you want, you can decorate and create your own version of the moon. And then what you'll do is you'll cut out a little square, a little window, so you can actually see your moon.
Okay.
You're gonna secure that. So let's get that going over here. So let's try and make that in the middle there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna secure it. I have staplers. You can use glue if you would like. So you wanna grab some staples for us?
Yeah, let's make it happen.
I made this easy for us. We even got we have pre-punched and everything.
Made it foolproof for
Yeah.
me, so I'll still find a way to mess it up.
No, you're good. And then again, like I said, you can use glue as another option. So we'll do our sides here.
So we now have the moon locked. Oh, we're almost there. So.
Oh, we'll actually keep this open here. So we want to have kind of like a little window here because we're going to need to put our slider here. So this guy is just cut out of our black paper. Do we want to finish cutting that out?
Yeah, for
Making you do all the work today.
You made it easy on. Are these?
No problem. So our moon slider is going to be very important because, as we have our finished friend right over here, you'll get to actually slide it back and forth, and you can mimic those different phases of the moon. So we're going to be starting with, right over here, our new moon, and then we're going to move from the new moon over to our waxing phases. We're going to get our beautiful full moon, and then our waning phases too.
Okay, cool.
All right, we got that ready?
Here we are.
All right, so we're going to see the magic happen.
Let us
pop that in there.
make the magic happen.
All right, there we go. We're going to slide it in all the way, so start that off for us. Perfect. Look at that. You made a new moon.
There's our new moon right there.
Yes, awesome. So it's really cool. This is a great way at home to be able to talk a little bit more about the moon phases outside of just going outside and seeing them. And we can talk a little bit more about why the moon seems to change based on where its position is when it's orbiting around the Earth. It's really cool to get to use.
So all throughout the month of July, of course, the moon is going to change phases, but all month long, we are talking about astronomy here at the Orlando Science Center.
Yes, and if you guys want to learn more, again, you can join us for our program. So we also have AstroFest that's going to be going on the 19th and the 20th. So that's a really cool time to get to learn more too.
Excellent. Well, I hope to see you guys here throughout the month of July, but on specific dates, the 19th and the 20th. I want to make sure you guys mark your calendar, and I hope to see you all here rather soon.